Hello, my name is Jacqueline. I'm the marketing lead at Knowledge Anywhere. Today, we're going to go over how to mark a learner complete within the administrative section of the LMS. So I'm currently in Knowledge Anywhere's administrative section. You get here by logging in and going to the admin view. And I'd like to go over to the learner section. So on this left-hand side, simply go over to learners. Go to the learner that you would like to mark complete. For this example, we'll choose Brant. Let's talk about why we might need to do this. The biggest reason that somebody might need to mark a learner complete is if they're taking a course on their mobile device and for some reason, the user loses access to the internet and the final course completion is not recorded. If that happens, the user can contact their administrator and let them know that they can complete the course. So as the administrator in this situation, you can go to your learner site like we are currently and look into their record to make sure the user has actually spent the required time in the session completing the assessment and whatnot before you feel comfortable marking them complete. We can do that by going to their transcript to see what courses that they've been assigned. So you can see that Brant has not taken any courses through the system, but let's say that he said that he's finished the Getting Started course. All you need to do is click this section in the left-hand corner and mark complete. You'll then see it automatically updated, and you can update the score as well as the completion date. If you feel like you've made a mistake, simply click it again and mark incomplete to turn it back. Thank you for listening to this brief video tutorial. If you have any other questions about the function of the LMS or need technical support, please feel free to reach out to one of our team members through our help desk or support@knowledgeanywhere.com.